Numbness can be a troubling sensation, often resulting from various health issues, including neuropathy, poor circulation, or vitamin deficiencies. Fortunately, certain foods can help prevent numbness by promoting overall nerve health and circulation. Here, we explore the top 5 foods that research suggests may help in this regard. 1. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and ability to support nerve function. Omega-3s help to improve blood circulation, which can prevent numbness caused by restricted blood flow. Research indicates that regular consumption of omega-3 rich foods can reduce symptoms of neuropathy and promote overall nerve health. 2. Leafy green vegetables, including spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are packed with vitamins and minerals that support nerve health. These greens are particularly high in folate vitamin B9, which is essential for the production of red blood cells. Adequate folate levels help maintain healthy circulation, thus reducing the risk of numbness. Additionally, leafy greens are rich in antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress that can damage nerves. 3. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds, are excellent sources of vitamin E and healthy fats. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from damage. Moreover, the magnesium found in nuts and seeds plays a crucial role in nerve function and muscle relaxation. Research has shown that diets rich in nuts and seeds can help improve nerve health and prevent conditions that lead to numbness. 4. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are significant sources of B vitamins, particularly B1 thiamine, B6 pyridoxine, and B12 cobalamin. These vitamins are vital for the proper functioning of the nervous system. For instance, vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining the myelin sheath that surrounds and protects nerve fibers. A deficiency in this vitamin can lead to numbness and tingling in the extremities. Incorporating whole grains into your diet can ensure you get adequate B vitamins critical for nerve health. 5. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons, are well known for their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is not only essential for the immune system, but also plays a role in maintaining the health of nerves and blood vessels. Research has shown that vitamin C can help improve circulation and protect against nerve damage. Additionally, citrus fruits contain flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can further support nerve health and reduce the risk of numbness. Conclusion: incorporating these 5 foods into your diet can be a proactive approach to preventing numbness and promoting overall nerve health. Fatty fish, leafy greens, nuts and seeds, whole grains, and citrus fruits are all nutrient-rich options that provide essential vitamins and minerals. By focusing on a balanced diet rich in these foods, you can support your nervous system and potentially mitigate the risk of numbness. Always consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice, especially if you experience persistent numbness or other concerning symptoms.